Hello everyone. Think you know everything about India? From its incredible culture to its fascinating history, let's put your knowledge to the test. Can you answer all 40 of these challenging questions about India? Stick around to see how many you get right. Some might just surprise you. Let's dive in. First question. What is the currency of India? Is it A. Rupee or B. Dollar or C. Pound? The correct answer is rupee. Next question. What is the capital city of India? Is it A. Mumbai or B. New Delhi or C. Kolkata? The answer is New Delhi. Third one. Who is the current Prime Minister of India? Is it A. Dr. Manmohan Singh or B. Dr. S. Jaishankar or C. Narendra Modi? Narendra Modi is the correct answer. Next one. When does India celebrate its Republic Day? Is it A. 26th January or B. 15th August or C. 15th October? The correct answer is 26th January. What is the national flower of India? Is it A. Rose or B. Lotus or C. Sunflower? The answer is lotus. What is the national animal of India? Is it A. Lion or B. Tiger or C. Elephant? The correct answer is tiger. Which Indian festival is known as the Festival of Lights? Is it A. Dussehra or B. Holi or C. Diwali? The answer is Diwali. What is the national sport of India? Is it A. Hockey or B. Cricket or C. Football? The correct answer is hockey. What is the national bird of India? Is it A. Eagle or B. Parrot or C. Peacock? The correct answer is peacock. When does India celebrate its Independence Day? Is it A. 16th January or B. 15th August or C. 15th October? The correct answer is 15th August. Next one. Which Indian state is called the Tea Garden of India? Is it A. Assam or B. West Bengal or C. Sikkim? The correct answer is Assam. Which is the longest river in India? Is it A. Kaveri or B. Brahmaputra or C. the Ganges? The correct answer is River Ganga. What is the national fruit of India? Is it A. Mango or B. Banana or C. Apple? The correct answer is mango. Which festival is known as the Festival of Colors in India? Is it A. Diwali or B. Holi or C. Raksha Bandhan? The correct answer is Holi. Which is the richest state in India? Is it A. Delhi or B. Maharashtra or C. Haryana? The correct answer is Maharashtra. Which Indian city is known as the Silicon Valley of India? Is it A. Hyderabad or B. Bengaluru or C. Pune? The correct answer is Bengaluru. In which city is the Gateway of India located? Is it A. Bengaluru or B. Mumbai or C. Chennai? correct answer is Mumbai. Who was the first Prime Minister of India? Is it A. Jawaharlal Nehru, or B. Mahatma Gandhi, or C. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel? The correct answer is Jawaharlal Nehru. Which Indian city is known as the Pink City? Is it A. Jaipur, or B. New Delhi, or C. Udaipur? The correct answer is Jaipur. Who is known as the father of the nation in India? Is it A. Rabindranath Tagore, or B. Jawaharlal Nehru, or C. Mahatma Gandhi? The correct answer is Mahatma Gandhi. Which Indian state is famous for its backwaters and houseboats? Is it A. Karnataka, or B. Kerala, or C. Tamil Nadu? The correct answer is Kerala. What is the highest civilian award in India? Is it A. Padma Vibhushan, or B. Bharat Ratna, or C. Padma Bhushan? The correct answer is Bharat Ratna. Which Indian monument is in the Seven Wonders of the World? Is it A. Taj Mahal, or B. Red Fort, or C. Ajanta Caves? The correct answer is Taj Mahal. Who was the first woman Prime Minister of India? Is it A. Indira Gandhi, or B. Sarojini Naidu, or C. Pratibha Patil? The correct answer is Indira Gandhi. Which ancient language is considered the language of Hinduism? Is it A. Hindi, or B. Tamil, or C. Sanskrit? The correct answer is Sanskrit. Which is the smallest state in India by area? Is it A. Sikkim, or B. Goa, or C. New Delhi? The answer is Goa. Which Indian leader is known as the Iron Man of India? Is it A. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, or B. Jawaharlal Nehru, or C. Rabindranath Tagore? The correct answer is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. In which Indian city is the famous Sun Temple located? Is it A. Dwarka, or B. Konark, or C. Mathura? The correct answer is Konark. What is the name of the Indian movie industry based in Mumbai? Is it A. Tollywood, or B. Hollywood, or C. Bollywood? The correct answer is Bollywood. Which popular Indian festival involves flying kites? Is it A. Pongal, or B. Makar Sankranti, or C. Lori? The correct answer is Makar Sankranti. Which Indian state is known for the origin of yoga? Is it A. Haridwar, or B. Rishikesh, or C. Nainital? The correct answer is Rishikesh. Which city in India is hosting the Mahakumbh Mela in 2025? Is it A. Haridwar, or B. Prayagraj, or C. Rishikesh? The correct answer is Prayagraj. Who was the first Indian to travel in space? Is it A. Rakesh Sharma, or B. Neil Armstrong, or C. Kalpana Chawla? The correct answer is Rakesh Sharma. What is the name of the Indian Space Agency? Is it A. DRDO, or B. ISRO, or C. NASA? The correct answer is ISRO. Which Indian state is famous for its spices? Is it A. Karnataka or B. Kerala or C. Gujarat? The correct answer is Kerala. Which Indian state is known as the land of five rivers? Is it A. Haryana or B. Uttar Pradesh or C. Punjab? The correct answer is Punjab. In which Indian state is the Statue of Unity located? Is it A. Maharashtra or B. Gujarat or C. Karnataka? The correct answer is Gujarat. Who was the first president of India? Is it A. Rajendra Prasad or B. S. Radhakrishnan or C. Zakir Hussain? The answer is Rajendra Prasad. Which is the oldest known civilization in India? Is it A. Vedic civilization or B. Indus Valley civilization or C. Gupta dynasty? The answer is Indus Valley civilization. Where is the world's highest battlefield located in India? Is it A. Srinagar or B. Siachen Glacier or C. Kargil? The answer is Siachen Glacier. Great job on completing the quiz. How many questions did you get right? Let us know in the comments below. And if you love testing your brain, don't stop here. Check out our exciting riddle video or another general knowledge quiz to keep the fun going. Click on the links on your screen now and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more amazing content. See you in the next video.